I want to introduce you today to my good friend Rena Levi. Rena has been helping me take care of my skin for over 20 years. Even when I was in college, I used to drive miles just to get to Rena, and now she helps my daughter, my teenage daughter, take care of her skin. And Rena, you've developed a new line of skincare products. Tell me about them.
Well, first of all, I want to tell you that I'm happy to see you too, and I want to tell you about this exciting news. I have developed these products that is a remarkable products for all skin type, for all ages, and for all color. You know me, for 30 years I've been doing skincare. God had given me passion for skincare, and especially for teenager and acne. And working with different products from all over the world all these years, I was not completely happy. So I decided to create a solution that would help everybody, to give them that glow, something without acid, something that will not tear the skin. So I started mixing products in my own room, and then when I came with the perfect solution, I went to the laboratory and asked the chemist advice, and says, listen, I would like to create a product that would be affordable and that would be for everybody. And we came out with this wonderful, beautiful product that is for everybody.
With over 30 years of experience in the skincare business, Rena Levi specializes in clinical facial and body solutions that focus on the treatment of difficult skin problems and the signs of aging. Her products and treatment methods have changed how people feel about their skin. Often where other methods, products, and even doctors have failed, Rena has succeeded. Her expertise is sought after by men and women alike and has helped change the lives of thousands of people all over the world. Rena's success in curing people of their incurable skin problems has inspired a line of breakthrough products for all skin types. These products are the result of years of testing and research for naturally effective ingredients that rejuvenate the process of collagen development in the skin and enhance the natural beauty of the skin. The Deep Peel is an extraordinary skin retexturizer for professional use only. This revolutionary non-acid herbal seaweed formula is more effective than traditional acids and can be safely used on all skin types and colors. Rena's exclusive Deep Peel is uniquely powerful because it causes no harm to the delicate new cells below, but is the equivalent of 15 microdermabrasion treatments with acids. This product will not bleach out the hyperpigmentation of ethnic skin, but will slowly and naturally diminish them by sloughing away the first layer of skin. The Amazing Scrub is a weekly skin polisher that contains an herbal seaweed formula that contains no acids. With weekly at-home use, clients will notice continuous improvement in texture and tone as this amazing product attaches to and removes impurities of everyday grime that create a dull skin appearance. This polisher renews, oxygenates, helps to build and restore collagen, and at the same time sloughs away dead skin, leaving it looking fresh and young. The product can be safely used by all color and skin types, including rosacea and acneic skin. The Bamboo Exfoliating Cleanser is a gentle exfoliating cleanser for daily use. Perfect for all skin types, this deep moisturizing cleanser helps reduce the daily buildup of dull, damaged cells. By lightly polishing while cleansing, clients will notice visibly smooth and naturally glowing skin. The Vanishing Act provides exceptional results for all skin types, from the driest skin to the most problematic, even rosacea. It even effectively cares for those suffering from serious acne to the occasional breakout. Rena's exclusive non-acid herbal seaweed blend penetrates deep into pores, purging impurities caused by acne and dead cell buildup. With daily use, large pores are minimized, balance is restored to oily skin, and blemishes, previous acne scarring, hyperpigmentation, and redness are visibly reduced.
This is really exciting news, especially for people who couldn't have peels done before because of their skin color.
It's absolutely good news because this product is good for everyone, from the fairest to the darkest, from the youngest to the most mature. Everyone will see result, and I'm a living testimony of it, because I used to have so many brown spots on my face and I was so scared to use acid, and I started using these products, and look at that, all the spots had disappeared, because this is a natural product that builds the skin and does not tear it down.
The Deep Peel is a natural product treatment that should only be applied by a licensed esthetician so they can control the depth of the peel. Clients should be clearly advised to follow instructions carefully in order to maximize the benefits of the peel, as well as to avoid unnecessary negative reactions to the newly exposed skin. The client should avoid waxing the face, the application of hair coloring chemicals or tattoos, and should not have sunburned skin for 48 hours prior to applying this product. If the client has a seafood allergy, do not use this product.
Hi, I would like to introduce to you the Deep Peel treatment, and I'm going to show you how easy and how simple it is for you and for your client. And I start with the amazing vanishing act. I take the clients off makeup with this soap, and what I would do is wet my hand and wet the client face, and I will take the soap and just take her makeup off. This is a very powerful soap. It's not like any other cleanser, and it will remove all makeup from her face. Not only that it will remove the makeup from the face, it will prepare the skin for the peel itself, for the deep peel. When I finish doing that, I'll just take her makeup off with a cotton. You can use a sponge, you can use a towel, you can use anything that you're comfortable with. Okay, now the skin is ready to do the peel. This is the deep peel, which contains of two products, very simple, the seaweed and the aloe gel. Two products, that's all what it takes to do the peel. And after you cleanse her skin, you take half a teaspoon, a heaping half a teaspoon. You can use a little bit less if you want to. And then you use 1 teaspoon of the aloe gel. You mix it together, and I like to add some water to make it more moist, so it will be easier to apply it. So I have some water here, and I would probably put about half a teaspoon. You see, you just mix it like that, and until it all come together. And that's how it looks. Now, I take a little bit in my hand and I scrub it to her skin. Now you start massaging it into the skin, and you emphasize where the brown spots are or where the acne scars. In her case, she does not have acne scars, but she has brown spots. So you will massage where her acne, where her spots are. And you do this for 2 minutes to 10 minutes, depend on the tolerance of your client. One client, you can do it for 15 minutes, and one client, their tolerance is no more than 1 minute to 2 minutes. But you keep on massaging until the client tells you that she can't take it anymore, or if you feel that her skin is hot. I want to show you something. Even though it was just half a teaspoon, I still have more left. So these products is so powerful that it takes so little to achieve a wonderful peel. Now, after I massage her skin for 5 minutes, I will let her stand for another 5 minutes. Because in her case, I don't think she needs more than 5 minutes. She will have a wonderful peel just from massaging it into her skin for 5 minutes. The fantastic things about this peel is that you can customize it to your own client. Some people, you can massage their skin for 15 minutes and they don't feel nothing. Some people, you can massage their skin for 1 minute and they cannot do it. So it depends on the client, and that's the only difference between one client to another client is the time. And since you know your client, you have to watch if she gets too red, if she gets too hot, and if she cannot take it anymore. Then you stop right there and then, and you leave it on her skin for 2 minutes, for 5 minutes, for 10 minutes, for 15 minutes. Depends how bad she wants to peel. The secret to it, the more you peel, the better the peel is.
And I understand there are some really fantastic sun care products as well.
They are fantastic, absolutely fantastic, because they contain a patent ingredients of the highest aloe that I used in hospital to speed the recovery of wounds that comes from burns and surgical procedure. And they lock the moisture into the affected area, and I myself use them after waxes and after peels, and my client just love them.
Rena's exclusive product line is complemented by a complete line of sun care products that contain a patented pharmaceutical-grade ingredient which is used in medical and clinical treatments to promote the healing of stressed skin. These proprietary products, when used after applying waxes or peels to your client's skin, will provide excellent soothing and remoisturizing benefits. And of course, the sunscreen provides protection from harmful everyday sun exposure. Aloe Sunburn Relief Cooling Spray provides immediate soothing relief to stressed or sunburned skin. Day Shield SPF 30 sunscreen provides the skin with all the necessary UVA and UVB protection. The active ingredient is a patented extract that creates a protective barrier on the skin to help keep moisture locked in while leaving skin feeling fresh and smooth. Aloe Sunburn Relief Moisture Gel provides advanced moisture replenishment in a concentrated gel formula that promotes healing of the burned skin while helping to prevent peeling. Lip Protect SPF 15 is a non-waxy formula that contains hydrating aloe vera gel that hydrates, softens, and smooths lips. SPF protects the lips from cracking and chapping.
Now that the peel has been sitting on her face for 5 minutes, I'm going to take it off. And it is best if you have a sink in your room to lead your clients, tell her to close her eyes, and you lead her to the sink and you rinse her face. You help her to rinse her face with cool water. But if you do not have a sink in your room, just take ice water. Make sure the water is very cold and very gently, because her skin, make sure that the towel is wet because her skin is very tender at this moment. And you very gently remove it from her face. As the day go by, your client's skin will get redder and redder, as if she's been in the sun. I want you to remember that her skin is very sensitive and you cannot scrub the skin very hard. Okay, now that she's clean, the next steps is you take the aloe gel, which is the cooling spray, which really gonna feel good on her skin, and you will spray it all over. And if you have enough time, you can let it air dry, or you simply just go like this, very gently. I would say the whole thing take like 45 minutes. You know, you should let your client make an appointment for 45 minutes to an hour. And as I said, you apply the peel and you start massaging from 1 minute to 15 minutes, depending on the tolerance of the client. After I have done this, I would take the aloe sunburn gel, because her face feels like sunburn, you know, and I would just massage it in, and it really feels good, you know. And right after that, I will apply the sunscreen, the SPF 30 on her face. You should tell your client to always wear sunscreen. Before peels, after peels, all the time. I really saturate the skin with the sunscreen because I really want to protect her from the sun. And you should explain to your client that today and tomorrow her skin would be really tight, you know. It will be, looks like almost like a facelift, you know. And the reason is because the separation of the old skin and the new skin is beginning. And I want you to see her when she's standing up, how nice and how pretty her skin look. So what do you think?
Oh, looks good. Feels pretty warm.
So how do you feel?
Feels good.
Do you feel the needle prick in your face?
Yeah.
How does it feel?
I already started feeling this small pricks.
Okay,
on my
that
face.
means that the peel is working. You're gonna feel this feeling. Your skin is gonna be very sensitive for the next 24 hours, and that means that the peel is working. The feeling that you're feeling is the separation of the old skin from the new skin. And now you should tell your client, now that the treatment is over, you should tell your client not to wash her skin for 24 hours. And after 24 hours, she should start washing her skin with the vanishing egg soap. She can spray her face with the cooling spray, with the aloe cooling spray, and apply the moisture. If she wants to have a deeper peel, maybe she should hold on to the aloe moisture, because what we're trying to do, we're trying to dry the skin so the dead skin would really come off. Some clients can do it and some clients can do that. So if they cannot do that, just tell them to start using the aloe moisture gel after 24 hours. And Maybe in 2 days, the skin is going to start peeling and they're ready to come. In 2-3 days, everybody is different. Everybody has different how they react to the products, how long they peel, and how much they peel. So after 3 days, 4 days, tell them to call you to know how they're doing, and tell them that you'd like to see them for a follow-up. And that's when you do the mini peel, and when you continue to peel her skin to give her the perfect skin. You should instruct your client, number one, to stay away from the sun for the next few days. And if they do go in the sun, to make sure they have the sunscreen on. You should tell them, once their skin starts peeling, not to pick on it, to leave it to you, and when they come after 3 to 4 days for a follow-up facials, you will make sure that all the dead skin is off.
It's so simple the way all the products work together to create such beautiful skin.
Yes, it is simple, and that's the beauty of it, because the esthetician, she knows her client, and it's one product for all, and she can customize the peel to each individual client, and her client would love her because the price is nice and the results are fantastic.
This follow-up treatment will be especially helpful for the esthetician to inspect the effects of the deep peel on the client's skin in order to determine how to apply the next monthly application. In addition, this step is necessary to be able to prescribe a daily regimen for the newly retextured skin during the intervening weeks.
Hi, Erin. How do you feel?
I feel great.
Okay.
Thanks.
I'm glad you're already happy. You should see how happy you'll be after this facial, okay? And I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it. You start with the vanishing act to clean her face. It is a very simple cleanser. I'll show it to you. And I wet her face, and I take a little bit of the soap in my hand, and I take it off either with a wet towel or with a cotton, whatever is comfortable for you and for your client. Are you still there, Erin?
Yes, I
Okay.
am. It feels
Good.
great. Thanks.
Now this will really give you, this peel would really give you a brand new skin. Okay, this was the first step. It's very easy and very simple, and it's not complicated. You take the aloe sunburn spray and you spray her face. That's cool. It feels good. And you take that off. You follow with the bamboo scrub, and you take about this much. That's all what you need. It is such a simple facial. And you just massage it into her skin for about 5 minutes. 4 minutes. By doing this, you remove all the dead cells. Then you just wipe it off after 5 minutes of massaging. Always try to use cool water. Then you massage your client's face with the aloe moisture gel, and it's this one. And you use your own method of massage. The purpose of it is to lock the moisture into the skin. Everyone has a different method, so whatever you like, for about 5 minutes, you massage it to her skin. And you leave it on for 5 minutes. So after you left it for 5 minutes, you clean it one more time. And you spray one more time with the aloe spray. That feels, by the way, that feels really, really nice on the face. Right, Erin?
It sure does.
You use a dry towel to pat it. And you finish with the aloe sunscreen, which has 30 SPF. This is the latest sunscreen that the FDA had approved. That has all the ingredients to protect you from the sun. Your client, and your client is ready to go. Very simple, very easy. How do you feel, Erin?
I feel great.
Okay.
To keep clients looking their best between treatments, offer them the Amazing Scrub for use at home. The Amazing Scrub contains lower doses of our revolutionary, non-acid herbal formula, which makes it perfect for simple application. With regular use, clients will notice continuous improvement in texture and tone. By gently removing dull cells and impurities, the skin appears younger and fresher.
I would like to introduce to you the Amazing Scrub. This Amazing Scrub, just like it sounds, that's what it is. The Amazing Scrub has several purposes, and one of them is that if your client wants to go out that night, or they have a special people that they have to meet and they want the skin to really look beautiful, like they've been in the sun, or like they had facial, all they have to do is scrub the skin for 10 seconds. That's all what it takes, and it's gonna give them that glow. And that's what I did this morning. I have no foundation on my skin, and look how pretty the skin looks. And the other purpose is that if your client has pimple and you send these products with them, and if they don't want the skin to peel, all they have to do is clean their face and take a little bit of the Amazing Scrub. And I'll show you how easy it is. That is way too much. Just like that. Now, if they would massage that to their skin, they will have a slight peel. But if they only want to treat their pimples, all they have to do Now, your client has the option. If he wants to peel, then he should massage it into his skin for a minute or two and then rinse it. But if he wants to use it as a mask for acne, and it will dry the pimples and it will give him the glow too, without even massaging it into the skin, just leaving it as it is, it would really dry the pimple. And after 10 minutes to 15 minutes, he goes and he washes his face. And that's all what he has to do. And you would not believe the amazing result of this product.
I'm Brooklyn Caddell. I'm 12 years old. About a year ago, my face started to break out, so my mom's friend recommended that I use Rena soap. I've been using the soap twice a day for about 6 months. My face is completely cleared up. I do have a blemish from time to time. I love my skin, I love the products, and I'm so glad that I don't have to take medication.
Hi, my name is Mealem, and I just turned 40 years old. It's been 25 years since I've had actually acne or pimples on my face. I met Rena when I was 15 years old, and I had a very severe case of acne. She used to give me facials twice a week, and because of the severity of the acne. And I'm very fortunate to know Rena. Her product had been something that I've really been enjoying having and using.
My name is Flo, and I met Rena over 20 years ago, and I had never had a facial. So I thought I'll take a chance and have one facial with this lady, whoever she is. And I've been going to Rena over 20 years. I love her products. I've never had a bad reaction to any of them. And for a lady of an interesting age, I think it's very flattering that people, complete strangers, come up to me and compliment me on my skin. And Rena's not only a wonderful skin technician, but a dear friend.
Well, my name is Santosh. I'm 62 years old, and I met Rena about 20 years ago. And she's the one who's doing my facial, and I've been using her product, and I'm so happy because a lot of people ask me, your skin is so beautiful, and what is the secret behind it? And I told them about Rena's product. My skin is beautiful, and I love it, and I love Rena.